In this Delph Stack video, I will show you how to remove an Outlook account from a Windows 11 computer. Start by opening the Windows settings. You can do this by clicking the Start button and choosing Settings, or by pressing Windows plus I on your keyboard. When the Settings window opens, look at the menu on the left side and select Accounts. In the Accounts section, find the option called Email and Accounts. This is where Windows stores all accounts that are used by apps on your device. Scroll until you see the section named Accounts used by other apps. Here, you will see the Outlook account you want to remove. Click on the account you want to remove. When you click it, a drop-down will appear. Select Remove. A new window will open. Windows will ask you to confirm that you want to remove the account. Confirm the action. After a moment, the account will disappear from the list, which means it has been successfully removed from your Windows 11 system. That is the full process. Thanks for watching.